Okay, now come to the stainless steel. Okay, so now we are going to, first we have discussed the steel. Okay, now we are going to see the stainless steel. What are the stainless steel? So if the term steel is there, it means they are the combination, or they are the alloy of the iron and having the carbon which is less than 2%, which is obvious with the definition of with the name suggest steel. Okay, now if there is a stainless steel, then this definition is going on. So stainless steel is an alloy of iron which are having chromium minimum of 10%. Okay, and other elements such as the nickel, molybdenum, and manganese. These key characters of the steels stainless steel is its resistance to the corrosion. As we all know that we all are having our stress railing, our gallery railing, these are of being used, or these materials are basically used in that purpose because they cannot get rusted. They can have the same shining as it were earlier. They are not going to less, or they are not going to minimize their shining because they are having corrosion resistant material, stainless steel. Okay, which is achieved by the formation of a thin, adherent, and self-healing chromium oxide layer on its surface. So chromium is a basically main responsible for the stainless steel, and that's why here it is written the 10.5% is of chromium, because this is the main, participant which is being, which is being to play a role of formation of the thin layer, and then adherent, and then self-healing chromium oxide layer, because oxidation is responsible for the rusting, and oxidation occurs when the chemical reacts with the oxygens, right? So that is being restricted here due to the chromium, right, on its surface. This property makes it ideal for the environment where the moistures or the corrosion substances are present. Obvious, wherever we are, having a use of material where we cannot resist, or we cannot tolerate the rusting or corrosion, then we mostly prefer the stainless steel. Okay, and keep in mind, it's also depend on your strength as well. Sometimes you cannot bear the strength, you are less strength, or you are higher strength. That all depends on your application part. So only seeing the one side of the coin is not feasible. Okay, when we are talking about the engineering and technology, so we must have to look over all the aspects of your applications. So what are the applications that you are going to have, that must be seen with all perspectives. Okay, this is very uh, important thing in engineering and technology.